Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a new addition to my channel because one, not only do I enjoy this product, but a lot of people that I watch have this subscription, and I'm like, you know what, since I do have a little one on the way, I said, you know what, since I'm not going to be able to treat myself as much, why not treat myself with horror packs? So this is a subscription of horror movies that you get once a month. And I actually decided, I watched Miranda PMV's video, I think it was for June, and I said, you know what, screw it. I'm going to sign up for this because I love horror movies. I love horror just stuff in general. And I said, you know what, treat myself once a month, why not? So, this is July's horror pack, and you can get, I think it's $24.99 for the DVDs, or for the Blu-rays, which is what I went with. And I think it's a little bit cheaper for the DVDs. I'm not sure. I'll have the information linked down below, as always. And yeah, let's dive into this. I think you get 4 movies for $24.99. So yeah, not bad, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. So I am scared for one reason, because I do have a large horror movie collection. So I am kind of afraid I might get duplicates. So let's see. Alright, so the first one I got is Saint Agatha, and this looks something like a crazy nun movie. So it looks something like this. I hope you guys can see. It's gloomy here. Like I said, you guys, it's always gloomy when I want to start filming. So this actually looks like some straight nun stuff, which is really creepy to me. Just the whole, like, nuns and all that type of themes is just pretty, oh, and it's from the director of Saw 2, 3, and 5, so that should be pretty interesting because I did like the Saw series. So we got this to look forward to until my next box. So it's Pray for Your Life. So alright, the next one is a horror pack limited edition, which is one thing I did forget to say, is you always do get a horror pack limited edition. And this is called Witch's Brew. Never heard of it. So I'll have to see exactly what this is all about. Okay, so it's saying that they mess with the town witch, and then she curses them with the latest batch of beer. Everyone who drinks it suffers a gruesome death. So this should be pretty interesting. Alright, the next one is Pride and Prejudice and Zombies. I've heard of this movie. I've just never, like, took any interest to actually watch this, because I am not a person who gets into, like, medieval type movies. That's just not my thing. So we'll have to see exactly what this is about. This is actually a 4K Ultra HD, which I don't own any of these. So we'll have to see what this is about. I do like zombies, though. I can say that. Alright, and the last one is dun dun dun. And I have this. Insidious Chapter 3. The darkest chapter goes back to the beginning. So I do actually own this. So I'm either probably going to keep this for a future giveaway, or I might just give it to somebody who I know might enjoy this. But I think I'll be giving a giveaway for something like this. So yeah, that is everything that was in the July horror pack. Let me know if you guys seen any of these. Insidious is obviously a mainstream movie. Pride, Prejudice, and Zombies, I've heard of it, never seen it. Witch's Brew, never heard of it. And Saint Agatha, I've never heard of that either. So yeah, Let me know if you guys seen any of these horror movies. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon in my next video. I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you very soon. See you guys. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. Be you. Fuck what people have to say. See you guys.